Okay folks, so what we have here is a Nissan Sentra. Won't start. Turns over, won't start, won't even buck, won't kick, won't do nothing. So after a little bit of research, I found out that I didn't have any fuel pressure. So I removed the back seat, and this terminal, look at it right there. Look how much green there is in that. Somehow, and you see the green sticking out of there. That terminal is busted right off, stuck inside. So now, new fuel pump and a new pigtail, because I'll never get that cleaned good enough. So I got a new pigtail, new fuel pump. That'll be my next video. Does it solve it? I'm pretty sure it will. So if you want to see the results, stick around, watch my next video. Really appreciate all the feedback. Tell me what your thoughts are. That's what I'm going for. Yep. Should be a simple fix. Get her done and fire it up. That'll be next video. I'm supposed to be doing this sometime today or tomorrow, so you can be checking out for this video by Friday. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Leave a comment, really helps. And we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.